Now, a lot of us have questions also about a booster dose. Many countries are giving it out, particularly with the Omicron variant spreading. They're focusing on booster doses. What about here in India? Are we going to be seeing it, phase-wise being distributed? Will it first be given to the vulnerable population and our healthcare workers? Now, amid all of these questions, there's a lot of politics playing out because Rahul Gandhi also put forth this question to the centre, asking when will we have booster doses in the country? The government has said, stop this politics. There's no question of boosters right now. Our focus is on completing the 2-dose vaccinations first. The Omicron variant is spreading fast, making even fully vaccinated vulnerable, making breakthrough infection increasingly common. While fully vaccinated, healthy individuals can still count on evading hospitalization due to Omicron, the demand for a booster dose for enhanced protection is gaining momentum. The Congress has asked the government to ensure booster vaccination, with party MP Rahul Gandhi stressing on the need. Rahul claimed that India will fail to meet the 60% vax coverage target by December and will end up with just 42% full vaccination.
Of course, everyone knows it spreads much faster than Delta variant, but it's not clear on how severe it is. The current vaccines are not necessarily working with this variant. So we have to be careful on how we are thinking about vaccinating, and also get ready to accept that we might have to vaccinate everybody else again for this variant with a new booster.
Why is the government taking so long to come up with an official stance? Are they for booster doses? Are they for vaccines for children? Yes or no? Why are they taking so long?
The government has accused the opposition of spreading misinformation on vaccines. Many states have already mounted a demand for booster COVID vaccinations, especially states which are on the verge of meeting full vaccination targets.
हम चाहते हैं कि अब बूस्टर डोज अलाउ की जाए। इस बारे में केंद्र सरकार परमिशन देता है, तो मेरी केंद्र सरकार से निवेदन है कि जो लोग 2 डोज ले चुके हैं उनको बूस्टर डोज देने की इजाज़त दी जाए।
मैंने बूस्टर डोज के लिए सबसे पहले आवाज़ उठाई है देश के अंदर कि बूस्टर डोज का टाइम आ गया। आज 9 महीने हो गए, साल भर हो गया फर्स्ट डोज लगे हुए। जो बीमार है 60+ उम्र के हैं, ये बीमार है, उन सबके प्रायोरिटी में बूस्टर डोज लगनी चाहिए। अभी कोई स्कीम नहीं है भारत सरकार, योजना में नहीं।
The government on its part has indicated that vaccinating all with 2 doses remains its priority, awaiting expert views on a possible booster.
As we have said, and as the Honourable Health Minister Sahab has said in the Parliament, the need and the timing and the nature of boosting, if any, will be based on scientific decisions, scientific thinking, and that is what the government is engaged with.
The opposition also questioned political rallies being organised despite the Omicron threat.
हमने सेकेंड वेव भी देखा था, देश में इतनी बुरी तरीके से फैला था, उससे कुछ सीख कर पॉलिटिकल रैलीज इन सब पे किसी तरीके का नियंत्रण लाया जाएगा।
अभी यूपी का चुनाव है, बड़ी रैलियां करना है, लोग मरे तो मरे, राम का मरे, रहीम का मरे, मोदी की वोट बैंक भरे।
Amid forecasts of a spike in the number of COVID cases, there's renewed interest in the booster shot for those already vaccinated. Private hospitals are flooded with requests for the booster dose, following reports that boosters are being administered abroad. Bureau Report, India Today.